wa Bwechincherere n'ekisukuru ky'obubundi Goetera Oboriki bw'ebitabo nabo igokorenda Ekegusii nigo ekyombe kya District Poetry gyakorire omuyega okera omwaka wokubarentamo abaliki nabo igabagaka b'Ekegusii eryokwigika chingenjo ky'ogotaeba ekemira nabo igo egikoro ky'omugusi Goetera Oboriki imyomochi obosongo muri kyoito Petro Machini norobotiorwa
Oboriki wa Bwechincherere namonere ya Kisii nigo baikiranira asomega igoro yo kurika Bwechincherere gose poetry oyo manyakanitse bana District imyomochi obosongo asomarigani bomorobiro Dr. Christopher Okemwa airero abuyabo omuyego yiga
ninche nkopanga omuyego yo kurwa District International Poetry Festival mono ebintu tokora se District ne Bwechincherere tokuchiroka Bwechincherere gose poetry gose amashairi ase Kiswahili naande tuabrukania mone getamaduni keke na boigo nogosomania ekartu ikirega iga se festival yiga nerigo kolenta abantu bonse kurense ngima baikaga iga banyara gosanga Bwechincherere gose poetry gose amashairi ase Kiswahili basanga ibi nandi basanga negetamaduni gose cultural exchange tokotebese Songo
egati yabageni kurwa chinse cheisiko baikirana soma igoyiga nigo bagokire Bwechincherere cyo namatera nagosanga ebirengero byabo
of people from all over the world, and it's the occasion when we could exchange our lives and our cultures.
This festival in Kenya, and we've already had one morning, and I've learned a lot, and I've experienced a lot already, and I've really enjoyed the music and singing and the poetry. And I think you don't learn things like this from reading or watching television. You just have to come to the spot. It was a long way to come, but it was very worthwhile.
I think the festival is important, but it's also important too for the young people, the number of young people that I've observed in Kisii and at the University of Kisii, and who come to support this program. So it's important for them to understand the legacy of poetry as it relates to not just Kenya but the world. You have coming through to this festival a number of poets from all over the world, so they get a chance to hear and to relate with other poets.
Boigo sensemo yaborukwa nigo bagokira omuyego yiga nakoboria abarigani bagendere kuyo arigani botambe.
So that's basically why I came, to interact with them and get to know their perspectives, from Finland and Czech Republic, not just in Kenya, and read my poems. We've been having poetry reading sessions since morning, and it's been an interesting day. It's been amazing, and I thank every stakeholder that has made this day possible. Also encouraging more poets and like-minded individuals, other stakeholders in our institutions, our academic institutions, to continue embracing art.
Because at some point we also go to the village. We take these poets to the village and to try and understand what is the Kisii culture, what were we doing before, what is there, and also to demystify some of the issues that are happening, myths that are there within the society, and also address some of the harmful cultural practices that are there. We also don't encourage some of that. So it's also in a way addressing some of the social issues that are there in the society.
Bono nigo abantu anemono egesukyo mugusi bamete chinse chisiko baganire okwegerwa w'Ekegusii n'echingenjo cy'Ekegusii edio tibachieba
tigatubwaterane twakere konu Ekegusii yeito kerase kerengongo kere binyero byonsi titoba buna abasibu bari torase emenu emenga emenu y'abanyandwaro tigatuyore ito
tuirane kerero abana baboneke goriegeke abana baminto bebie okonyora omwana ogoroka embori esese omwana kwanyora ogoroka esese nereke muni ine abantu baminto bari muri isiko mwamenyire gitawuni denta abanaka bakwani kisokoro batokwanie tubasomye Ekegusii yaitu ng'a ekemoni nĩ kĩao nĩ sese nĩ ng'ao.
Kuripotiria Ensoko TV kure kaunti ya Kisii, Njembe Thuel.